Kunyiha kwa namba cia andu aria mararwara murimu wa COVID-19 ica ikuhi guku bururi-ini ti kionereria kia uhotani. Uu ni kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri aria marauga murugamo wao no uria wa ati murimu uyu utanyitwo kwihiriria muthia-ini wa mweri wa kanana na kiambiriria-ini kia mweri wa kenda.
So the next 3-4 weeks will be critical to be able to tell us whether we hit the magical 5% and we sustain that positivity rate for 2 weeks, in which case we can conclusively say that we have flattened the curve and therefore we can be able to lift the remaining measures.
Namba ya aria marwarite riu igikinyiria andu 32,557 ithabu riria riihuritio ni andu 193 aria marwarite ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku na ciumia 2 ciukite ni cia bata hari kuheana mwerekera guku bururi-ini.
For the past 1 week or so you have noticed a decreasing positivity rate which as of today stands at 6%. So that is you are making progress, but you have not hit the magical 5%, which we need to hit and sustain for 2 weeks before we can actually say that we are flattening the curve.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugete ciana nini itikoretwo ikihatirerio muno ni murimu uyu na koguo aciari matiagiriirwo ni gukorwo na wagagu ona riria mwana munini arwara.
In our country thus far we have recorded 768 children under the age of 10 years who have turned COVID positive, and out of whom 4 have died. On the other hand, 430 under 5 years have been confirmed positive, with 2 dying within this age group.
CAS wa ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman augite thirikari ni irathi na mbere na gwikirira kurumbuia mirimu ingi iria icangagira hari ikuo cia ciana nini guku bururi-ini, kuona mwana ari na murimu ungi ahota gutorio ni murimu wa COVID-19.
Nurturing children means keeping them safe, healthy and well nourished, paying attention and responding to their needs and interests, encouraging them to explore their environment and interact with caregivers and others.
Gukinyeria riu andu makiria ma 400,000 nio mathimitwo murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, guku namba ya arume aria mararwara murimu uyu igithie na mbere na kuongerereka gukiringithanio na atumia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.